This video will save you years of time learning how to be an effective public speaker. Trust me, I have coached thousands of people. And this is the same mistake we see with just about everyone who's taken too long to develop their speaking skills, okay? If you look at any class, the way it's laid out is week 1, you're going to learn this. Week 2, 7 days later, you will learn that. The following week, you will learn that other thing. So week 1, storytelling, week 2, body language, week 3, eye contact, whatever it is. So you feel like, hey, I'm learning new things and I'm adding more and more information to my ammunition. But the problem is, you never go back and practice more of the thing. So let's say you were someone who really wanted to work on body language. You worked on body language. The next week, you're practicing storytelling and then eye contact, but you never come back and do more storytelling. That's like if you wanted to learn how to play tennis, one week you do the forehand, the next week you do backhand, the next week you do the serve, and then you never come back and try the forehand again. We need more repetitions on the same thing again and again and again and again in order to improve. We don't need new things. You see, when we look at a class or many coaching sessions, the way they are set up is to make the student or the client feel a sense of novelty. Hey, today you will learn something new. Now we have a new technique. And they feel good. Look at all these new techniques that I'm learning. But the problem is, they only need 1 or 2 things in order to get better. So I'll give you an example. Some of my students, when they join our boot camp, we have a 10-day boot camp we run, and their only issue is, Yasser, I want to remove my ums, uhs, you knows, and likes when I speak. So imagine this. The first week, I teach them, instead of removing your ums and uhs, let's do a little bit of negotiation. The next week, let's do a little bit of how to be more theatrical. The next week, let's learn storytelling. Why are we wasting 3 weeks doing something you don't need? So if you look at the shortest possible path for you to develop your speaking skill, it is to identify what is the issue, what is the behavior I have, what is the behavior I want to replace it with. And you just do that and nothing else. So if you want to remove your filler words, what I would ask you to do is, okay, record yourself speak, talk about any topic you are comfortable with, and I want you to take note of how often you were saying, you know. Are you even aware that you're saying it? If not, watch yourself back on video. Oh, I didn't even know I was saying it 50 times. I didn't even realize I was saying it between every sentence, every phrase. Now I know what I'm doing. Let me do it again. And this time, be more aware towards the end of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, that I'm saying and and let me try to reduce that. So you will do that day 1. Day 2, are you going to change something? No, you're going to do the same thing again. Okay, let me do it again. This time, let me see if I have fewer filler words than yesterday. Day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. If you are just focused on solving the problem that you have with repetition, meaning doing the thing over and over and over again, that is the fastest path to improving your speaking skills. In other words, you need 2 things, awareness and repetition. What is the problem? And then doing enough repetitions of the exercise that helps you fix that problem. That is how you change behavior. You don't change behavior by acquiring information and doing nothing with it. Most people know what to do, they just don't do it. Most people know what to do, they just don't do it. If I asked you, you want to get in shape, right? How would you get in shape? Well, I'm going to go to the gym regularly and I'm going to eat healthy and cut out all this junk food. Great, you have the information. Do you do it? No. Well, that explains why you're not in shape, right? So speaking is the same exact thing. You know what you need to change and you know what you need to do. You need nothing else outside of that. If you entertain other things, okay, I need to work on my ums and uhs, that's the only thing I will focus on. If now you get sidetracked by, let me learn a little bit of negotiation, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, now you're spread out in 5, 10 different directions and your progress will be slow. And this is why when I see so many students, they go to a weekly public speaking meeting or they join some class, it's laid out to teach you and give you information. right? Just look at how much of the class is focused on the instructor speaking and how much of the class is focused on you speaking. If out of 3 hours, 2 hours, an hour and a half is the instructor speaking, guess what? They're getting more practice than you. You need to be the one doing the speaking. So the shortest possible path for you, pick one single thing. What is one area? You probably know this. I talk too fast, or I have a very monotone and boring voice, or I don't have a lot of energy when I talk. You know that. Forget everything else. If you have multiple things you want to improve, focus on one at a time. Focus on one, and all I want you to do between 7 to 10 days, do the same exact exercise over and over and over and over again without getting bored, without getting distracted. This is what will improve your speaking skills in the shortest amount of time. When we do our 10-day boot camp, the first few days are, hey, these are the foundation techniques. I will teach you these in 5 minutes at the start of every session. The rest of the session is you practicing. Get the reps in over and over again. Then day 7 to day 10 is just doing the thing again and again and again and again. And my only role with my students is to motivate them, to inspire them to keep coming back and doing the boring thing. Because we get bored of doing the same thing over and over again, not realizing this is what makes the difference. Awareness of what the problem is and the repetition. So if you have tried improving your public speaking in the past, I want you to ask yourself, if I have read a book before, if I have gone to classes before, if I've tried doing it myself, have I tried doing too many things all at the same time? Have I tried to learn too many things all at the same time? Or have I picked one single thing, remove all the distraction around it, and just hammered that thing every single day? If the answer is no, if you just do this, pick one area of your speech you want to improve. Pick one exercise that you can use to improve that. If you don't know how to do it, go through my channel. I've got thousands of videos at this point for every single problem you could possibly have. Do that for 10 days. I promise you. You will see more progress in those 10 days than most people will in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years of their life. I can guarantee you, because no one, or at least the vast majority of people, they cannot stick to something. They will try it, they will lose interest, they don't see immediate results, and they give up. I want you to think about your training like you're planting a seed in the ground. When you plant the seed in the ground, initially you're watering it, you're hitting it with sunlight, and nothing is happening. Hey, what's going on? Every single day I'm watering this thing, nothing is happening. But where does a plant start to grow? It starts to grow in the soil underground. That's where the roots spread before it starts to sprout upwards, right? So you can't see with your eyes what's going on. But there is progress under the hood internally. So as long as the first few days you're putting in the work and you have faith that practice works, I am not somehow immune to practice. The first few days you're setting up foundation. Yes, you might not see progress immediately, but day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, when your brain finally gets used to it, then you will see the progress on the outside, just like a flower blooming. So pick one thing, become aware of it, do relentless repetition, and you will make more progress in your speaking than most people will in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. If this was helpful, let me know below. See you next time.